Meaning of frier.
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 Frier. The word frier does not exist in standard English. It is possible that the intended word is frier, which is a noun used to describe a device or appliance used for deep frying food. A fryer typically consists of a heating element, a pot or tank for holding oil, and a basket for immersing food in the oil. The result of using a fryer is that food can be cooked quickly and evenly, with a crispy exterior and moist interior. Proper use of a fryer requires attention to safety, temperature control, and handling of hot oil.